I've been sleeping on a grounding mat for 5 years. I'm convinced it improves my sleep and boosts my health. And grounding or earthing is simply putting your hands or feet or body in contact with the earth in order to get health benefits like reduced inflammation or better sleep. But if you can't get outside bare feet, maybe as it's too cold where you live or you have some mobility issues, these mats and sheets give you a chance to connect with the Earth's current without leaving your home. Of course, this is not medical advice. The founder of the earthing movement and the creator of the earthing movie is Clint Ober. Him and his clinicians and scientists did 20 years research and development and started earthing.com, where he sells his official products in the US and Canada, and Earthing Revolution in the UK and Europe. He states on his website that other companies are simply selling knockoffs of our original outdated technology while violating our patents. Now let's compare a cheap Amazon mat versus the official Clint Ober grounding mat. Although these ones are slightly different sizes, I just want to compare the quality first of all. So if I hold that up, you can see how the ends kind of flick up. So the reason that's a problem is that while you're asleep, your duvet cover will kind of pitch on the corner, it flicks the mat up, and then eventually it will fall on the floor, it will keep moving. With the authentic mat, you can see how this lays. It doesn't curl up at all. The weight is completely different. It's heavier, it's thicker, it feels a much better quality. And can you see how this has kind of these grooves in it? It's not straight. This never gets like that because it's just a heavier, thicker quality. And when I lay them down, if I just throw it down like this, so the official earthing mat is flat. Okay, there's no gaps. Earthing.com products do cost a little bit more, but they're made of medical grade materials and research driven fabrics designed to stay conductive for years. The products are engineered for 5+ years of daily use, and you get a 60-day money back guarantee. The other thing to mention is the socket. So this is attached to the sheet, and then this section goes into the socket, and this goes into your electricity socket here. So the official earthing.com plug, it clicks in like this and it stays put. When you're moving around at night, or if you accidentally knock this, it doesn't really come out very easily. With these cheaper mats, you have one like this where the plug goes in underneath. And what I found with these is that it's very easy for these to come out. So at times you'll pull this out by accident and you won't even realize. My cat wants to be grounded. She knows what's good for her, don't you? Then you have safety. So the official earthing.com products have a built-in 100k ohm resistor, which will protect you from any electricity that could travel through the cable towards you. It pushes current away. So the cable is made of a 7-strand tensile wire, which is very fragile, flexible wires, which would melt instantly in the event of a major surge, or if your house got hit by lightning, so nothing would even reach the mat. So if you go for one of the cheaper products on Amazon, you may not get that protection. The plug sockets don't need to be turned on. If you're in the UK and you have a switch on your electric socket, then turn it off, as you're not trying to connect the mat to your electricity supply. You just want the mat to be connected to the earth, and the switch doesn't need to be on with that. So there's no risk of surges anyway. So this is a conductivity test that I was talking about. So you press the button on the top and you can see it's green. You run this over the product, the mat or the sheet, and if it's green, it means that product is conductive and it's working fine. So if we try the cheaper Amazon mat, yeah, I've had this a few weeks. It's still conductive. Oops, actually, it just stopped for a second there. I hope this has been useful. Please comment below, let me know if you're using any of these grounding products and what benefits you've got, if any. Or if you have any questions. I read every single comment. Please give me a like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.